the mystery of the comma. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of punctuation. And our spotlight is on a tiny but mighty mark, the comma. Let's unravel its secrets together. A comma is a punctuation mark that appears as a small, curved line. Its main purpose is to separate different elements in a sentence, ensuring clarity and making our writing easier to understand. While it might look simple, the comma holds a lot of power in shaping the meaning of a sentence. 1. Listing items. When you have a series of items, use commas to separate them. 2. Example: I bought apples, bananas, and grapes. 3. Separating clauses. For compound sentences, use a comma before coordinating conjunctions, like and, but, or. 4. Example: she wanted to go to the park, but it was raining. 5. Setting off introductory elements. If a sentence starts with an introductory word or phrase, a comma comes right after it. 6. Example: after the rain stopped, we went outside. 7. Non-essential information. When you provide extra information that can be removed without changing the basic meaning of the sentence, enclose it with commas. 8. Example: my sister, who loves chocolate, ate the entire cake. 9. Direct address. Use commas to separate the name of the person you're addressing. 10. Example: let's eat, Grandma, versus let's eat, Grandma. Notice the difference? 1. Length dictates comma use. Just because a sentence is long doesn't mean it needs a comma. Place commas based on grammatical structures, not sentence length. 2. Always before, and, it's not mandatory to use a comma before, and. It depends on the structure and meaning of the sentence. 3. More commas for clarity. Sometimes, too many commas can make a sentence confusing. Use them judiciously. A single comma can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Consider, let's eat, kids. Let's eat, kids. The first suggests we should dine together, while the second has a rather more alarming implication. Always remember the weight a small comma can carry. There you have it. The comma might be a small punctuation mark, but it's crucial in conveying the right message in our sentences. We hope this guide has been illuminating. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of using commas perfectly. Happy learning!